Are you tired of losing track of time and expenses? Finding the right time tracking solution can be a hassle. Clockify effortlessly meets all your needs in one platform. Track time with our intuitive timer, comprehensive timesheets, and integrated calendar. Generate detailed reports to analyze costs, projects, and team activities quickly. What sets Clockify apart? It's user-friendly, customizable, and free forever. Plus, enjoy seamless integration with QuickBooks. Start your time tracking journey today. Sign up for free and streamline your workflow with Clockify. Don't wait, join over 156,000 users who discovered the power of organized time management last month.